Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display a 3D cube in native iOS application with Swift and SceneKit. So firstly I'll show you the output. So here you can see my simulator and this is a cube, and I am able to rotate it as I'm able to move my mouse, it automatically rotates it for me. So let's see, this is a very simple example. So let's see how to do this. So here firstly I have created a native iOS application and I am using UI kit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. And all I have done is that inside our view controller I have created a scene view. I am taking the entire width and height of our screen. Then the auto resizing mask is flexible width and flexible height. Background color is black. Anti-aliasing mode, I don't know what this is, but I have just followed the documentation. I am using default lighting and default camera control as well, and the interaction mode is orbit turntable. Here then we are just adding our scene to our main parent view. Then we have to create an SCN scene for this scene view. SCN view, we have to create this SCN scene. So firstly we will create one camera node, and here we are creating an SCN camera, and this is how the position is. Then we are just adding that camera node to our particular scene. Then here is the important part. Here we are creating one cube geometry, so you can set the width, height and length, as well as the, I don't know what this chamfer radius is, but yeah, you can play around with it. And here we are just setting passing our cube geometry to our scene node. Then we are setting position of it and then adding it to our scene again, root node of our scene. Then I'm using some ambient light, so I'm using the scene node, SCN node, creating then an SCN light. That light type is ambient, color is dark gray, and we are just adding that to our ambient light node. And then whatever scene we have, we just assign it to our scene views scene. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can display a simple 3D cube in your native iOS application. Thank you for watching. Bye.